Right, this is my New Year's stash, fireworks stash for 2012 into 13. Right, first we start with Mercury Rising rockets, 5 of those from Bright Star, my 12 o'clock midnight rocket, Magellan, the ring of air bombs from Kimbolton, and I got a Fuji cone from Cosmic, Diamond Mine from Brothers, Crimson Curse Bright Star, Bombay Nights from Bright Star, and Mighty Atom from Bright Star, Siren Call from Brothers, Ultimate Battle of Colours from Brothers, Sky Frenzy from Jonathan's, that was a good firework, Bright Star Earthquake Mine, a Dynasty 7-shot Barrage, an ESCO Missile Frenzy, Brothers Whistle Stop, Brothers Crazy Crown, and a Jonathan's Ice Diamond. And we've got a packet of 5 Alive rockets from Brothers, which are really good. They look small, but they've got a hell of a burst on them. And we've got some Volcanic Meltdown from Bright Star, 4 cones. Ultimate Mines from Bright Star, 6 of those. Eruption, also from Cosmic, beg your pardon, Cosmic Fireworks. Galactic Battle, 5 little cakes from Bright Star. Star Charger, Blue Battalion, Silver Salvo, Missile Attack and Colour Blitz. Small packet of cheap rockets from Sparky, Deep Zone. I've had those before, they're not too bad. Have a look round. The Crimson Curse, not had that before. Mighty Atom. I don't know what the 7-shot Barrage does, but we'll find out on Monday. So if the weather holds. Crazy Grounds, Ice Diamond, Ultimate Mines, Eruption, 2 small and 3 medium cones. So which I normally buy fountains for the new year. I had those on Bonfire Night, they're okay. There's the old Magellan rocket, Golden Wool. The Mercury Rising, 5 different colours, small top, gold metallic tops. I've also got round here Sky Lantern. Not tried one of these before, so it was not too windy. I thought I'd get one and see what they do. I've seen many but never used one. So one final look round at the stash. Should keep me going for about 20-25 minutes, I would think. And hopefully I'll get some videos of these and put them up next week when they're all fired. Those are all named after different mountains. Etna, Pinatubo, St Helens and Vesuvius. Don't know whether they're any good, but give them a go. So them little rockets don't look a lot, but they're surprising. The burst is really good on those. They came from Stealth Fireworks, as did most of the Brothers and Jonathan stuff. The rest came from my local garden centre. Okay then, that's it for this year. Looking forward to let these off Monday night, weather permitting. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.